Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Intan Nur Aini, but you can call me Intan. I'm gonna explain about the tribe of Buginese and its culture. There is four topic that I want to explain. First is history of the Bugis culture. Two, ritual in solving problem in Bugis. And three is traditional wedding ceremony. And the last is traditional dance. Okay, the ancestor of the Bugis tribe come from the Datar Malay or Yong Malay. This ethnic group entered the country through mainland Asia, namely the Yunnan Peninsula. The name Bugis come from the word Tougi, which means Bugis people. Ugi means the first king of the Chinese kingdom in Pamanawajo Regency. The king was named La Satumpugi. Bugis people have a tendency to name themselves after the name of the leader. Tuugi means follower of King Lat Satumpugi. King Lat Satumpugi has a descendant named Lagaligo. He is a writer with the greatest literary in the world. His famous work includes Saweri Gading Opunawer. This work contained the traditional of the Bugis people. The Bugis ethnic group developed and formed several kingdoms. Some of the kingdom of Bone, Wajo, Lubu, Supa, Sopeng, Sawito, Sidenreng, and Rapang. This community group formed language and its character, culture, and self-government. The Bugis people highly value sham or siri in the local language. In Bugis custom, it is called ade, siri napase. Ade means that must be upheld by the Bugis community, while siri napase is the attitude contained in the ade. So there is a Bugis proverb which states that only people who have siri are considered human. Na iya dek gaga siri na delaina olokolo siri mitu tariaseng tahu. It means whoever does not have siri, then he is not a person but only an animal. And the traditional Bugis clothes is baju bodo. This baju bodo is be the one of the oldest clothing in the world. This estimate is supported by the history of Muslim cloth, which is the basic material for the baju bodo, combined with a sarong that cover the waist down to the bottom of the body, while the bottom of the dress in the form of a matching color silk sarong. The Bugis are famous for their gown known as Wang Panai. The amount depends on the level of education of the prospective bride. The higher the level of education, the greater the panai money given by the prospective groom. Next is Mapabuting, is a traditional Bugis wedding ceremony. Marriage, according to the Bugis, is not just to unite the bride and groom, but more than that is to unite two large family so that kinship relations are getting closer. And next is the house of the Bugis and Makassar tribe has similarity named in the form of a stage. This traditional house is almost the same as house in Southeast Asia. There is wooden roof with a two-slope roof and H-shape frame consisting of poles and beams. The pole is assembled without using dowels and nails. The function of this pillar is to support the floor and roof, while the walls are tied with poles outside. This house is various activity because of its large size. There are three levels of Bugis Makassar house, namely the upper world, Voting Langi, on the middle world, Alekawa, and the underworld, Buriliu. And the art that is characteristic of the Bugis is dance. The most recognizable dance of the Bugis are Pak Dupa Bosara dance and the Pakarena dance. Pak Dupa dance is one of the traditional dance originating from the Bugis tribe. Pak Dupa dance is a dance performed by a beautiful girl and accompanied by traditional Bugis Makassar music using traditional music. And Pakarena dance is a prayer for newborn humans and teach the meaning of survival in the world to humans. And next is the typical food of the Bugis tribe. One of the typical food of the Bugis tribe is buras, or commonly called burasa. Buras is actually not much different from other rice-based such as ketupat. What's more, ketupat has also become a tradition that must be served when especially family celebration and religious holiday arrive. So that is my explanation about the tribe of Buginese and its culture. I'm sorry if I make any mistake. Thank you.